Your food choices each day affect your health, how you feel today, tomorrow, and in the future. Today, we will discuss about food additives. They are the substances added to food to maintain or improve its safety, freshness, taste, texture, or appearance. Let us discuss about the definition of food additives. Food additives are substances which are added to food which either improve the flavor, texture, color, taste, appearance, or chemical preservatives function as processing aid. They are various chemical substances added to foods to produce specific desirable effects. Additives such as salt, spices, sulfates have been used since ancient times to preserve foods and make them more palatable. Many modern products such as low-calorie snack and ready-to-eat convenience foods would not be possible without food additives. Need for food additives. Additives provide protection against food spoilage during storage, transportation, distribution, or processing. They are used to color foods, add flavor, impart firmness, and retard or hasten chemical reaction in the food. Nowadays, chemical additives can be manufactured so that foods can be fortified or enriched. Potassium iodide, for instance, added to common salt can eliminate goiter. Foods, particularly fats or oily foods with high moisture contents, become rancid when exposed to humid air. The conservation of the quality of foods against agents causing such deterioration of food requires the addition of preservatives. The use of food additives is to maintain the nutritional quality of food, to enhance stability with resulting reduction in waste, to make food more attractive, and to provide efficient aids in processing, packaging, and transport. Before we see about the various classification of food additives, we should know what is E-numbers. E-numbers are codes for food additives that have been assessed for use within the European Union. The E number tells us what the additives is used for. E100 to 199 food colors, E200 to 299 preservatives, E300 to 399 antioxidants, E400 to 499 emulsifiers and stabilizers, E500 to 599 anti-caking agents, and E600 to 699 flavorings and flavor enhancers. Let us discuss about the classification of food additives. Preservatives slow down the growth of microorganisms. Flavoring agent which add taste or fragrance cell to make the food more edible. Stabilizers which mixes two liquid that do not mix together, which prevents the sediment process in the liquid and also provide smooth and uniform structure. Coloring agent colors food, make it more attractive. Thickening agent which thickens liquids such as soup and sauce. Antioxidants slow down the oxidation of fat in the food, which also prevents oily or fatty food from becoming rancid. Preservatives. Here we have two classifications, antioxidants and antimicrobials. Antioxidants, compounds that delay or prevent the deterioration of foods by oxidative mechanism. Antimicrobials, agents inhibit the growth of spoilage and pathogenic microorganisms in the food. Coloring agent. Color is an extremely important sensory characteristics of food. It directly influences the perception of both the flavor and quality of a product. The processing of food can cause degradation or loss of natural pigments in the raw materials. Coloring agent or colorants are necessary to produce a uniform product from raw materials that vary in color intensity. Colorants are used as food additives or classified as natural or synthetic. Natural colorants. Most natural colorants are extracts derived from plant tissues. The use of these extracts in the food industry has certain problems associated with it, including the lack of consistent color intensities, instability upon exposure to light and heat, variability of supply, reactivity with other food components, and addition of secondary flavors and odors. Synthetic colorants. Synthetic colorants are water soluble and are available commercially as powders, paste, granules, or solutions. Special preparations called lakes are formulated by treating the colorants with aluminum hydroxide. They contain approximately 10 to 40% of the synthetic dye and are insoluble in water and organic solvents. Flavoring agents. The flavor of a food results from stimulation of the chemical senses of taste and smell by specific food molecules. In addition to the four basic tastes, the flavoring molecules or flavorings in food stimulate specific olfactory cells in the nasal cavity. These cells can detect more than 10,000 different stimuli, thus fine-tuning the flavor sensation of a food. There is two classification of flavoring agents, natural and artificial. Natural flavorings are derived or extracted from plants, spices, herbs, animals or microbial fermentations. Artificial flavorings, they are mixtures of synthetic compounds that may be chemically identical to natural flavorings. They are often used in food products because of high cost, lack of availability, or insufficient potency of natural flavorings. Stabilizer. Stabilizer or emulsifiers are a group of substances used to obtain a stable mixture of liquids that otherwise would not or would separate quickly. They stabilize gas in liquid and gas in solid mixtures. Thickening agents. These compounds function to improve the texture of foods, inhibit crystallization, stabilize emulsions and foams, reduce the stickiness of icings on baked products, and encapsulate flavors. Substances used as thickeners are polysaccharides such as gum arabic, guar gum, carrageenan, agar-agar, alginic acid, starch and its derivatives, carboxymethicellulose and pectin. Another classification of food additives, natural food additive. In general, these food additives are found naturally, such as extracts from beetroot juice used as a coloring agent. Man-made food additives, they are actually synthetic identical copies of substances found naturally, such as benzoic acid, which is used as a preservative. Artificial food additive, they are produced synthetically, such as nisin, used as preservative in some dairy products. Over 3,000 different chemical compounds are used as food additives. They are categorized into different groups. A few types of additives are indicated below. Anti-caking agents, antioxidants, chelating agents, coloring agents, curing agents, emulsifiers, flavor enhancers, flavor improvers, humectants, leavening agents, non-nutritive sweeteners, nutrient supplements, pH control agents, preservatives, stabilizer and thickeners. Clarifying agents like bentonite, gelatin, synthetic resins are used to remove hastiness or sediments and oxidative deterioration products in fruit juices, beers and wines. Agricultural contaminants, chemicals in the form of insecticides, fungicides, herbicides, growth promoting substances and pollutants, etc. Animal food additives such as synthetic female hormone, diethyl stilbestrol. Thank you.